Hello, so this is lecture number 3 in which I will discuss optimal load dispatch problem including losses, transmission losses. Okay, so for the simplicity I have considered only two generators which have a transmission loss PA and there is a fixed demand PD. Okay, so there are two generators which include transmission losses. So we are formulating optimal dispatch problem in which we have to minimize cost function which satisfy the load demand including losses. Okay, so this is the optimal dispatch problem statement. Now I want to minimize this cost function, so we are formulating auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation function ft is f is a cost plus lambda is Lagrangian multiplier plus this function. Okay, this is a subject, this is a condition, okay, which need to be satisfied. Okay, now to minimize this function we have to partially differentiate this function with respect to PGI. Okay, for in general I am considering PGI, ith generating unit. Okay, so if I differentiate it with respect to PGI, then it is also differentiable because we can see here from this is the function of Fi. Fi depend upon PGI. Okay, so this is a PGI differentiable plus lambda. PD is fixed one, so its partial differentiation is 0. PL is the function of generation, so it is also differentiable minus if we open here this whole summation, then you are getting one general term PGI, so that is also differentiable one term. Okay, so there is a differentiation is 1. So this, okay, so to finding the optimal value we have to put this equal to 0. Okay, so from here we will get what is lambda. Okay, so we are getting lambda equal to del F over del PGI 1 minus del PL over del PGI. Okay, so this is one expression. Okay, you have to remember it. We are del F over del PGI, del F over del PGI is called incremental transmission cost. Okay, and its unit is rupee per megawatt hour. Okay, and this term 1 divided by this whole term 1 minus this, okay, that is called penalty factor. Okay, so I have introduced another term, that is penalty factor. Okay, so what is penalty factor? For ith unit penalty factor is 1 divided by 1 minus this is called penalty factor. Okay, okay, and this del PL is called incremental transmission losses. Okay, so this is incremental transmission losses at generating unit I. Okay, I is the generating unit number. So if I write it in general, then you can see simply lambda equal to, okay, so in general if I put lambda is constant, okay, so I can write here this for n number of generating unit lambda equal to del F over del Pg1 1 minus equal to Pg2, okay, 1 minus del Pg2, okay, dot equal to dot for n unit del F over del Pgn 1 minus del Pn over del Pgn. Okay, so you have to remember this. You can also plot this for n number of generating units. Okay, and we will see in next class or transmission loss.